Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today it is Friday, April 29th. We're in Grass Valley, California. We're installing some surveillance cameras and some access control. So Verkada, it's 1 door, 5 indoor cameras, 3 outdoor cameras. We're in Grass Valley, right by the Grass Valley Airport. It's a quick job. We're just swapping out some existing cameras for a customer who has multiple sites. I think this is like the 6th out of maybe 15 to 20 sites we have for this customer. It's a cable communications customer out here. They install fiber to all the people out here in rural areas, which is pretty cool. And that's what we're doing today. So let's check it out.
We are swapping out existing access control, putting in Verkada, swapping out existing cameras, replacing them with Verkada. So run a few wires, put up a few devices. That should be it. Uh-oh.
You have a broken wire?
No, but I need to put the box back on.
So we didn't get to shoot anything indoors to where they make their secret sauce. So we didn't show you any of the indoor cameras that we installed, but this is the existing access control. We had to come at it at 2 different angles. It was originally installed one way for one system, but we had to rewire it a different way for our new system. And this is where we're going at 2 entries. Pulling off the old silicone that was there. One card reader. The cable run inside the building was only like 15 foot too, so real simple. Existing strike. These are the outdoor cameras pulling off the old Hike Vision. Installing the new Verkada. That's a Mount 2, Mount 8 combo. That's a CD42. And right here we're aiming it with the customer, with Scott. In real time. Scott already had all the cameras pre-activated, so he didn't even need to, we didn't have to do any pre-program or anything. Plug them up, Scott already had them on his phone, aimed them right away. Art came in, man, he knocked out all those outdoor cameras pretty quick. Everybody got to get off early that day. I think we were all done by like 12 o'clock that day. That's it, we're done. The door's done, we had to rewire the door, swapped all the cameras, aimed all the cameras, everything's online. Early day, early Friday, everybody's happy. We're out of here. See you guys in the next one, later. So that was it. That's one of like many locations. We have installed, I think 6 or 7 other locations in Southern California. One in South San Francisco. We got a couple other locations coming up for them too, so look out for those videos. I'm covered in my high vis right now. This morning I got up at 4 a.m., drove to San Francisco to go see my son. I had to bring him some boxes to get him out of college. His semester's over. Brought him all the boxes, dropped off the tape. I was in San Francisco by, I don't know, 7 a.m. Left there, went to Fremont, went to Facebook's headquarters. We have a new project coming up for Facebook or Meta. We're pre-wiring about 75 conference rooms. And from there, I went to Oakland, Chinatown, where I have another Verkada project coming up. We have about another 5 buildings that we're going to be installing all through Oakland, Chinatown. So look out for those videos. But thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Later.